Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to delete indicators on TradingView mobile application. Remove, hide and reset the indicator. Okay, so here you will see in your top left the indicators. Okay, once you tap on it, here you will see the settings of the indicator open, where you will find a delete button to delete the indicators. Okay, I will again show you. So you will see the indicator at top left corner. Once you tap on it, then after here you will see a delete button. Okay, you can simple tap on it to delete. Here you will see my indicators will be removed. Okay, so now I again show you how you can add and then edit the indicators, means reset the indicator. So I am adding here MACD. So yes, moving average added successfully. Then here you will see it will add here. Now you can simple tap on it and then click on the setting icon to easily edit the indicators. Okay, and here is the delete button to delete the indicator. Goodbye.